In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device is not compatible with this version on Google Play. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to the app info of Google Play Store. Click on app info. Now in here, go ahead and head over to storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And in here, go ahead and click on the clear data button, which you'll find at the middle bottom of your screen. Now go back and click on uninstall updates to uninstall all the updates made for Google Play Store. This can be the fix if the issue is actually with the Google Play Store app installed on your device. If this doesn't work out, go ahead and head over to your settings. Click on the About Phone or About Tablet section. And here, go ahead and check if there are available updates for your device. Now make sure that your device is up to date. If you find an update button, just go ahead and click on the update button to update your device. Now if this still doesn't work out, the best thing that you can do is to use another app store where you can download the application that you want to download. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.